It finally happened, guys. We have camels at the Starbucks. And I have to be really careful not to get close to it. I don't want to scare it. But it's not just the two camels. It's a lot more than that.
Those other front legs are tied, eh? Can't go too fast. That restraint is still stopping from going way too far, too fast.
Yeah, this no they can't run off.
No running.
Now I want to Google what their land speed is. Like how fast can a camel actually go where it's a concern?
They can gallop like horses, right?
Yeah. Well, he's not restrained.
Look, this is a baby. Well, not a baby, but a young, so he's staying with them.
Would you do it again?
I'm in the X5M today. I chickened out.
Show on Google whether the roads are this thing broken, but our return way should be better. I know another shortcut which will take us back on S102, and then we can go straight from there to the Hanging Gardens. There are still portions of gravel. The Oman border, see the fencing. So this is what I was telling you, Adam. Remember that when you go off-roading at the spot, stop. Just be careful not to go near the fence. Oh, that is.
Settings. Go back. Technical settings.
Oh, you see?
No. Down. Down. Riding mode selection.
Okay.
And
So yesterday I was in the same kind of filthy stuff. Actually, I was in a thing so bad that I've written down this review. We're having some food at the world famous Hanging Gardens. And this is the view. It's really something.
So let me just read this out to everyone. This
That would be cool.
Intact, I can do
because
that.
my agreement is already.
Yeah.
I can put
Yeah.
it into agreement, but you know.
See those cars in there? Are you a car person? Just a casual P1 riding around. Oh, wow, that sounds so good. .918 Spider times 2. AMG. It cost $4.6 million.